were competing in 3 kilogram Lego sumo, and you were in top each group. 2 best robots who received more points than the others. Then these 2 negotiates. Ole lahke, palun. 173.
Två robotar med vissa klasser. Levias.
3 kilogram Lego sumo competition. We are looking for Trexie, Team Trexie.
Tää tuesti panna.
1467.
Заново. Снова.
1467.
Сбежал.